Here are the steps on how to wire up multiple devices on the Siemens fire alarm system. Gather all devices for the speaker circuit and the strobe circuit. Grab which pull station you need. After that, let's jump right in. Step 1. Disable which zone you want to disable. Save configurations. To install a pull station, zone 1. Open pull station, wire up, positive to negative, and screw the pull station on the mounting bracket or back box that is on the wall. Then you use a drill so you can see what you're doing here, and then tighten it down just a tiny bit so you can just untighten just a tiny bit, and then close the pull station when you're done. Next, double check to make sure you actually have the wiring processes in place. And when you're ready, you can actually put the speaker strobe on. So, positive speakers, negative to speakers, positive strobe, and then negative to strobe. When you're done, just make sure you don't pinch the wire in place. And install the speaker strobe on its back box. Next, install a smoke detector next to the speaker strobes. This strobe is actually a Siemens speaker strobe ceiling mount. Repeat the process for the same thing like you did in the first example I showed you. Next, install a heat detector to the bathroom. And then after that, you put the Siemens US17S. Do the same thing for all the detectors. Install a do the same thing for one pull station for this one right here. Then you do the same thing for the PE11 right by the speaker circuit. Same thing for the speaker strobe. When you're done with that speaker strobe, install the MS51 pull station conventional. Same thing for the speaker strobes in the utility room. You're putting a strobe and a speaker for the separate circuit. Now you're doing the same thing for the system sensor 2100 to replace it with the PE11. Same thing. Same thing goes for wall speaker strobe. You're going to do the same thing. And install MS51, I believe. Yep. And the last thing we do is install that speaker strobe. And boom, you're all set.